Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new website or site project in the Framer Website Designer. So let us dive into this. Alright, so here in the Framer application, either via the desktop app or web version, what you want to do guys is navigate back to your workspace's dashboard. So if you're in the website editor, click into that icon in the top left, choose Go to Dashboard. Now, what you want to do is select the given workspace in the top left corner, here from all workspaces. Here then under project you will see all your project listed. So to create a new one, click into these three dots and select new project, or you may click into new project also here in the top right. Then wait for the loading process to be finished and navigate to blank here to create a new blank website project, and you will be redirected to that menu here. So if I navigate back to the dashboard, you will see that indeed this project has just been created, so that you can click into it and get redirected to the website designer here to add layers, components, pages, content to the website, and so on and so forth, and in the final step, publish it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.